Hi boys and girls, we're back. Today we're going to be doing solid figures. So before we were doing plain figures, which are flat, just things that you can draw. And now we're talking about solid figures, which have faces and sides and you can hold. So I'm going to show you some examples and we're going to go over them. The first one is what's called a cube, right? So as you can tell, it's not flat, it's three-dimensional. And the part that's flat, this flat surface made up of line segments, is called the face of it. Each side is called an edge, and where the sides meet is called the vertex, like we already know. And since there's more than one, it's vertices. So for example, the cube, if it would ask how many faces, you would count each of these flat surfaces. So we have 1, 2, 3 in the back, 4, 5, and 6. So it has 6 faces. Then the edges would be all of the lines, and the vertices are all of the points where they meet. Just like the other one, the number of sides, the number of edges, and the number of vertices are the same. So if it has 10, it would have 10 sides and 10 vertices. That would be the same. The faces are different though, okay? So that's a cube. The rectangular prism is made of rectangles, and then the sides are squares. Triangular prism, it looks like a triangle, and then it also has a face that's a square, which is the base, right? So again, these are things that you can hold, that you can touch, and we can see examples of them, like the pyramids, the tops of a building, things like that. This one's a square prism. Yeah, a square prism. And it's like a cube, but it has rectangles and squares. So that's those. So those all have faces and vertices. Then there's other kinds of solid figures which do not have edges and do not have faces. Okay, what does that mean? An edge is a straight line, right? These don't have straight lines. So we'll start with the first one, a cylinder. Okay, if you notice, it's a curved surface because it's made of circle. A circle, like a stretched out, and then another circle on the other end. So these don't have any sides, so they don't have any edges. They also don't have any faces because a face is a flat surface, which it has, but flat surface made of line segments. And a circle is not made of line segments. It doesn't have any lines, it's a curve. So it's different. So these are curved. Okay? So that's a cylinder. Another example, this is also a cylinder, just a fatter one. Another example would be a cone, which looks like a triangle, like a party hat, or like a megaphone, a party person. Okay, yeah. Lots of party stuff. Has a circle, and then it goes up and it meets, and it does have a vertices, right? Because the points meet at the top. Then we have a sphere, which is like a ball, right? It's round, like the earth, like the sun, like the moon, like basketball, baseball, soccer ball, all the balls, okay? And it also has no flat surfaces, it's all curved, right? Which is why when you put it down, it rolls because it doesn't have anything that's flat, okay? So those are just a little bit of examples. On the book, the textbook, they have drawings. I also have drawings in the notes that you can look at. And just really quickly, I wanted to show you how to draw it in case you don't know. So like if you're gonna draw a cube, you would draw a square, right? And then you would draw another square higher. And then you draw the lines to connect them. And that's how you make it look three-dimensional. So that would be like a cube. A rectangular prism, you would draw a rectangle, and then a higher rectangle the same way. And you connect them. Triangular prism. Oh yeah. Draw a triangle. And then draw the lines going down. And you draw another triangle. And you connect it like that. It's not perfect, but you get the idea. So you can practice with that. And then you have workbook page 135 to practice all of these solid figures. Okay, remember, they're not flat, they're three-dimensional. Have a good day.